Hey guys, welcome everyone. I'm going to share my screen. Hey Dean, welcome Dean. All right. All right. Hey Collis, welcome. All right. Hey Solomon, welcome Solomon. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. We've got a new week here. All right. All right. Welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Welcome. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at the futures market. One second, guys. All right. Okay, one second. Might have to reload trade station here. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see here. Okay, we should be good now. All right. Hey, Tylak, welcome. Tylak, welcome.
Hey,
Welcome.
David.
Hello, hello. All right. So you guys should see my screen here. All right. So let's go through the markets. The futures market. So right now, Monster Futures tracker. The futures are up. All right. So the Dow, here's the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P. Right. The rest they're up, currently up right now. All right. Hey Joe, welcome. Joe, welcome.
Thank you.
All right. The dollar is down. So we're watching the dollar. Um, and the dollar currently is testing support right here. We've got a white candle. Boy, I wish the dollar would hold, right? The dollar pairs are looking good, but we really need the dollar to hold. All right, we do have a buy signal still in place, but again, here is support right here. Right here is support. We've got a white candle. Dollar is currently down, so it could break support. Right, it could break support overnight and give a sell signal. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you trade in your dollar pairs. All right, we are seeing some a build up in the dollar pairs near the accumulation phase. So we'll just pay attention to that. Right, so that's critical right here. Right, critical right here. Again, dollar is down. Right, dollar index right here. Here is support, white candle. If we test, break this support line, we could get a sell signal on the dollar. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's take a look at the markets. A lot of volatility last week. You guys know that. All right, we had big up days, big down days, but we are still in the markdown phase. All right. So here is the Dow clearly in the markdown phase. All right. Sell short signal, red candles. All right. We should be out of equities. All right. So that's the Dow. All right. Here is the S&P. All right. The market tried to bounce back. Got a white candle. Sellers came back in. Red candle here. Sell short signal here, still in the markdown phase. Okay, so we're still in the markdown phase. Guys, stop me if you have any questions, or just put your questions in the chat. All right. The Russell sell short signals right here. Sell short signals, and the Russell is testing right here, testing support. All right, so we've got support right here, and here we are right here, testing support. All right, So we've got support here, and then we've got some support down here. But Russell is looking to break that support. All right. That's the Russell. And then we've got the NASDAQ, right? So the NASDAQ has been holding. All right. NASDAQ has been holding. All right. Let's take a look at that. All right. So here's the NASDAQ, guys. All right. Green candles. So Thursday, got some buying that came in. All right. And then continued buying on Friday. Okay. But we won't take this seriously yet unless the other indexes start to give green candles. Okay. So far, currently, we're still clearly in the markdown phase. All right. Clearly in the markdown phase. All right. Hey, Bruce, welcome, Bruce. Welcome, welcome. All right. The VIX, guys, let's take a look at the VIX here. The VIX is at 25, right? So VIX is at 25. So clearly above 20. All right. So not good for stocks. All right. Not good for stocks. I want to show you guys here where the VIX made a high of 30 right here. So this was last week, made a high of 30, did close lower, right? Here is another close right here at 30, 29, right? But see here, still a lot of buying in the VIX. Okay, so just be careful. All right, just be careful going into the weeks, into this week, trading stocks. All right, all right. All right. So the VIX is up. All the indexes are pointing down. All right. All the sectors are pointing down. All right. Technology is neutral here. Gold, right? We send out an alert for gold. All right. Gold has a buy signal. Okay. So you guys, this is perhaps the only trade right now. All right. In the equity markets, right? You can trade it through ETFs, the GLD, which is an ETF. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at US 30. Our US 30 traders don't trade anything yet. Okay. On the downs, we have a short signal. The US 30 sell short signal right here. All right. Some consolidation in here on the daily time frame. All right. So don't take any long trades. Wait for the short trades to develop. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, those of you who are trading US 30. All right. Let's see here. We'll put this here. Here is resistance. And here is support on the US 30. Notice we haven't called any trades on the US 30. It's stuck within this consolidation in here. We will need to break support. Currently, it does not have a trade. All right. So currently, there's no trade. Right. Here was the previous short trade that failed. We didn't call that. So we'll wait for the price to break. All right. Break hopefully to the downside to go short. All right. If it breaks to the upside, all right, we'll just have to wait. All right. Hey Betty, welcome Betty. Okay, so stay away from the US 30 for now. All right. Consolidating. You guys can see that it's consolidating right here. All right. We called a buy signal on Bitcoin. Okay, last week on the daily time frame. You guys should see that here. All right, we called a buy signal. This was a surprise that this came from nowhere. All right, came absolutely from nowhere. And this is why we need to follow our systems. All right, we never know. So we called a buy signal here on Bitcoin at 25,000. Okay, so 25,000 Bitcoin. We've been watching, you guys know, we've been watching the 24,000 resistance on Bitcoin. All right, so it broke resistance. give us a buy signal at 25. Currently, Bitcoin is at 28,000. Okay, 28,247. All right. So, did anyone take this trade? If you took this trade, just let me know. All right. This it looks like a pretty good trade. Like I said, this is where 24 was resistance, 24,000. All right. This is where the previous buy signal failed, and this one so far is holding up nicely. Okay. A target, the next target for Bitcoin. Let's see here. Let's bring out a weekly time frame. And look at that. We've got a buy signal on the weekly time frame, guys. I just noticed that. So on the weekly time frame, we've got a buy signal also. All right. The last time we got a buy signal on the weekly time frame here, this one failed, but here, this one did really well. But you guys see good markdown phase, nice accumulation, right, on the weekly time frame. All right, broke resistance right here. Buy signal came in, our blue arrow right here. Buy signal on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame too, guys. So on the daily time frame, we've got a buy signal. On the weekly time frame, we've got a buy signal also. Okay. Resistance, we've got some resistance. Let's see here. All right. Near-term resistance is right here around, I would say, right around, let's bring this down more, around 30,000. Okay. We should get through that. We should get through that without an issue. All right. Next serious resistance will come in at around 46,000. So if we open it up, you guys will see here, right? We got pretty good resistance at 46,000. Okay. And then the high on Bitcoin up here, I think the highest we made, we didn't close where it closed around 64,000, but that's a long way. That's a long way. Okay. So buy signal on the daily, buy signal on the weekly. We'll take it off the 240. All right. So we'll no longer track it on the 240 for now. We've got an entry, good entry on the daily time frame. All right. So we'll keep it on the daily time frame. All right. All right. Any questions on Bitcoin? Any questions on Bitcoin? All right. Like I said, this came from nowhere, but our system gave a buy signal, so we send that out. All right, last week. All right. If it starts to give white candles, red candles, we'll follow it. All right, we'll follow it. We'll put a resistance up here. We said 45 resistance. So resistance will be on the daily time frame right here. So 45,000, right, is where we might find resistance. So we'll keep this right here. All right. Okay. Let's go through the picks that we're currently watching. All right. And then we'll take a look at Forex Dominator, Monster Scalper, and we'll see what's going on with Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay. All right. So Monster Scalper, we're going to take a look at Monster Scalper long. All right. We did have some trades that closed. So if you guys are in those trades, close them as we go through this. All right. So USD, let's see here. USD MXN, we're still holding that trade right here. Buy signal was here. This is on the 240 now. Monster Scalper, 240. Okay. Buy signal was here, still holding all green candles. All right. And that's USD MXN. Right. I'm hoping the dollar index hold. All right. Hopefully some buying could come in. All right. So USD MXN still holding that. EUR CZK. All right. If anyone is in this, Great trade going here with the euro, right? EUR CZK buy signal was here, right? Retraced a bit, right, last week. And guess what? We got a nice green candle. Nothing to worry about. It will look to test resistance here. If anyone is in this trade, just continue to hold. All right, just continue to hold it. EUR CZK, EUR same thing here. Buy signal was down here, clearly in the markup phase, right? Clearly in the markup phase. All green candles, nothing to do, guys, nothing to do. We do have purple support and resistance, all right? So pay attention to that. But most importantly, it's got green candles, nothing to do, all right? Pound Aussie did close, right? We did get a sell signal, break of support, right? Price broke your support line right here, this yellow line. So we should be out of that pound Aussie. So pound Aussie, we should be out of that long. We'll get rid of that. Uh, pound CAD, we should be out of that also, right? Here was the sell signal to get out. All right. This signal came in this evening. All right. But we'll get out of that. So pound CAD, right? Pound CAD, we should be out of pound CAD. All right. Pound PLN, GBP PLN, GBP PLN. All right. Buy signal is here. All right. It's holding. All right. Your new levels of support is right here. So previous support, previous resistance becomes support. All right. So previous resistance becomes support. Buy signal here, it's holding nicely. This becomes support. If it fails, your sell signal, right, will come in over here, but not to worry about that yet. All green candles. It is pulling back a bit, but all green candles, nothing to do. That's GBP PLN. All right, GBP PLN. Pound ZAR, pound ZAR. All right, GBP ZAR. All right, it's still holding here. All right, if you guys had a red candle here, so if you were, we continue to hold it, but you could have gotten out of it here. All right, but buy signal here, still holding here. All right, and then now the shorts. So these are the shorts in Monster Scalper, right? Shorts in Monster Scalper. All right, and then we'll go over whatever trades you guys have. This is the shorts now. Shorts in Monster Scalper. All right, AUD NZD, AUD NZD. That closed here. Here was your Here was your short. All right, this came in this evening here. We won't count this. Okay, so the previous trade, short signal here, right? Green candles came in, sell signals. We should be out of Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand short. All right, so we'll close that, get out of that. All right, in Monster Scalper. Euro yen. Euro yen is still holding its short position. All right, sell short signal came in here. There's our red right here. Euro yen, sell signal came in right here. Break of this support here. All right, and it's holding right here. Nothing to do. All right, it does have a support line down in here. We need prices to continue to move lower. Nothing to do yet. All right, SGD JPY, same thing. Sell short signal here, guys. Price is all the way down here. Nothing to do. If you guys are in this, just hold on. All right, this is in Monster Scalper short. So we should only have euro, and we'll look for more short opportunities in the yen pairs this evening. Okay, so euro, euro yen, and SGD, JPY short. All right, in Monster Scalper. All right, Forex dominator long. Forex dominator long. All right, let's see what we have. All right, Forex dominator long. EUR, right? Euro CAD, we're still holding that position. All right, pull back a bit, held support, right? Held support, and right, we got pretty good resistance right here. All right, pretty good resistance right here. So we need to break out, test the high, and move higher. So nothing to do here. It's in Forex Dominator, your daily time frame. You guys see the time frames right here. Daily time frames long. All right. So EuroCAD, buy signal here, green candles, nothing to do. All right. EURSGD, buy signal here, right? In Forex Dominator, buy signal here, green, white candles held support down in this area here. White candles are coming in. We would like to see green candles, right? Nice. We need a nice pop, break resistance, and continue higher. It's held. It's looking good. All right. If we can get a green candle, very bullish sign after, right? After we get these white candles. All right. Okay. EURSGD. All right. Dollar CAD is holding nicely. All right. So buy signal here. All right. We do need that dollar index. I wish that dollar index. If we can get some buying coming overnight, that would be great for the dollar pairs. All right. They're setting up nicely, guys. All right. So buy signal here. Dollar CAD holding all green candles. Purple support and resistance. Like I said, that's always a concern, but nothing to do yet. All green candles. USD SCK. All right, that's holding here. Pullback, very similar to the dollar index. Right, it's currently holding support. We need buyers to come in, and this has pretty tough resistance right here. If you guys see here, all right, pretty tough resistance here. This is where it failed before, and here we are again. So if we can get buyers to come in, break through this resistance here, this could be a good trade here. All right, USD SEK. If it fails, if anyone is in it, you get a red candle, sell signal, just get out of it, close it. All right. Pound CAD in Forex Dominator, pound CAD. It's holding. All right. Pound CAD, buy signal here. It's holding. Nothing to do. And pound SGD, same thing here. All right. Buy signal here, holding. Nice accumulation phase. Okay. And that's holding also. All right. So those are your longs in Forex Dominator. Those are your longs. So let's take a look at the shorts in Forex Dominator. Take a look at the shorts. Those were the longs. And then we'll go through. I want to see what you guys are in, what you guys are trading. All right. Right now, your best opportunities is in Forex, guys. All right. Forex hasn't missed a bit, right? We still have a lot of good volatility in Forex. These are your shorts, right? Your shorts. So Aussie CAD, right? Short, right? Go short. Sell short signal here, right? White candles came in. Here's your sell short signal here. So you're right here. So we need sellers to come back in. If you guys, anyone is in this, if you get a green candle, all right, do not wait. This is on the daily time frame. Do not wait for that candle to close. All right. If you see any hint of green coming in your candle, close that trade. All right. Close that trade. All right. All right. So that's Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal here. So open it up. Sell short signal here. Pull back. All red candles. Nothing to do. What we'd like to see, red candles come back down. All right. And then test the low. But nothing to do right now. We don't have any white candles, no green candles, no sell signals. Okay. Now this is in Forex Dominator. So we turn on the daily time frame. So let it run. All right. You can get sellers to come back in, guys. We've seen this where sellers could come back in just like this here and push the price back lower. All right. So Aussie Swiss, Aussie yen. All right. Sell short signal is here, trading right here. The concern with this one is that you got some support right here. We do have support here. So if anyone is in this, just pay attention to, you've got pretty good support right here. You could get buyers to come in and then push that price higher. Okay. And this is not a very clean chart. All right. Not a very clean chart and very choppy. We really should not be in this trade. All right. Very choppy. Trading. Every one of the previous sell short signals have uh, given losses. Okay, so that's not a very good chart right here. Is anyone in this? Anyone in this? Aussie yen? Aussie yen? All right. Keep an eye on it. The good news here with Aussie yen is we've got this here. Let me show you guys quickly. Yeah, horrible chart. We do have this trend line here. All right, so we do have this downward trend line here. Price is being squeezed, but not a very good chart here. All right, so just be careful. Aussie yen, if anyone is in it, Aussie yen. You might want to move it from a daily to a 240 or even a 60-minute to manage the trade. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is holding, still holding, pull back a bit. Here's the sell short signal right here. All right. Pull back a bit. And these markets are crazy, guys. All right. So it's a 50-50 literally, right? From one day to the next, we're seeing, and these equity markets will affect the Forex market. All right. So we have no real direction currently. All right. So just be careful with these markets. Okay. Aussie dollar. That's Aussie dollar. And then we've got New Zealand Swiss sell short signal here. All right. We've got white candles coming in. All right. So we need sellers to come back in, start testing the low here. We do have some support, right? So this is support here, but we need just like this, right? We need sellers to come back in, all right, and push the price lower. New Zealand Swiss, NZD USD, that closed, all right. So sell short signal here, white candle started breaking that moving average. Okay, so we'll be out, we're out of this. So New Zealand dollar, we'll close that. All right. So you should be out of New Zealand dollar. Right. Here's the sell signal here to close the trade. Right. Okay. All right. So Forex dominator short. All right. Let's take a look at the futures market. What we've got in the futures market. We've got a couple of shorts. All right. So this is the S&P, right? S&P short. Okay. Sell short signal is right here. All right. We had a white candle came in. Red candles are coming in here, which is good. All right. To push that price. We need that price to come back down. We've got support in here. All right. Again, not a very good chart. Right. Not a very good chart. We've got pretty solid support and resistance. Okay, if you guys look here, and this has been for a year now, that's why we have to be careful. No real trends right now. Okay, so here is resistance, pretty good resistance here, pretty good support. And for a whole year, we're caught between support and resistance. So we need these markets to break out, the equity markets in particular to break out, right? Either to the downside or to the to the upside. But we need things to break out. So here is where price is caught. Let me show you guys. Any questions? Because I've been getting questions on the market. Any question? You guys have any questions on the market while I bring this up here? I know it's been frustrating. All right. Let's see here.
Hey David, this is Dean. Sorry, I was on mute.
Hey, Dean.
Hey, a quick question. So the way the market is right now, you mentioned earlier this year, should we
Dean,
be
your
focusing on?
volumes, your volume is very low.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Better, but still low.
Okay, sorry. Um, should we be focusing on the 60-minute time frame during this current cycle of the market?
What time frame?
60 minutes?
60 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes, 60 minutes. Yes, you can bring it to the 60-minute. Um, I worked with a few traders last week where they were looking for opportunities on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. And they caught some trades. I think New Zealand dollar was one to go long. All right, on the 60-minute time frame. I think that was Yokid. I worked with her last week on that. So yes, that. Just be careful though, right? Even on a smaller time frame, just be careful. Just keep in mind this is what we're dealing with. This is the range right here, and this is as of April. As of April, May of last year, we've been caught in this. Let me do this. So you guys need to know the condition of the market here. All right. Um, this is April, May. I would say since this is when price broke support right here, sell short signal, and since then, all right. So this is April. Yeah, April of last year, guys. From here to now, this is the S&P, and there's no direction. All right. It's caught between support and resistance. All right. Here is resistance here. You guys see, you see that clearly. Resistance here. This is not a trend. We are not trending at all on the S&P. Okay. You're welcome, Dean. All right. So, and then here is support. Here is resistance. Here is support. All right. So buyers are coming in here, sellers are coming in here, buyers are coming in here, sellers are coming in here, buyers are coming in, sellers are coming in, and we've stuck between this area right here. All right. So just be careful. Now this is on a daily time frame. You can reduce the time frame. It's tricky. All right. It's very, very tricky. You can bring it to a 60-minute time frame. I wouldn't go any lower than a 60-minute time frame. All right. You'll get a lot of noise. All right. Even a 30-minute time frame will give you some noise. All right. So a 60-minute time frame, then. All right. And anyone else. All right. But again, just be careful. All right. Just be careful. There's some opportunities, but and then this is the S&P. So just be careful. So we're trading this, but if we get, we had white candles coming in here. It's a white candle. We got a red candle. So um, we'll take that trade, but just keep in mind, very risky. Not a lot of trends. If you're going to take these trades, trade lightly. Okay, and then in the futures market, and we also have crude oil. No, crude oil. We've been talking about crude oil. Okay. Crude oil in the futures market. Got a good trade here going. Okay. Broke support right here. So those are the only two trades. Broke support right here. All right. Red candles, and it's holding right here. Okay. On in crude oil, we've got some resistance, which previous resistance is support. All right. So I would say right here, support right here. All right. So now it's at 67.60. You could get some support right here. And then next area of support is right. Hold on. Right here. All right. I wouldn't do, if you guys are doing anything with the futures market, I wouldn't move it to the 60-minute time frame. Just moves too much for the 60-minute time frame. Keep it on the daily. All right. But this is not a bad trade to get down in this area here. All right. It could break this short-term support and get down in this area here. There's more support down here. Okay. But still not very good. Very choppy trading, guys. Very choppy trading. Okay. But this is a trade that can, you know, that can be done here. Okay, for crude oil. All right. We talked about Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is right here. We talked about Bitcoin, the buy signal in Bitcoin, which is right here. All right, which is right here. Shorts. We've got some shorts in Monster Short, right? Monster Short. We've got some shorts. Let's take a look at those. All right. So in Monster Short, ARTG, ARTG. All right. Sell short signal right here. All right. You guys can short the stock. I don't know. I didn't pull up if there are any shorts, right? If there are any shares to short, but you can short it or you could get puts on it. But again, just be careful, guys. Okay. So RGT, all right, here, good sell short signal. It's holding right here. DAX, right here, sell short signal here. It's holding right here. And guys, we've seen a lot of short signals, right, in Monster Short. All right, lots of stocks that are going lower. EPU, right here, EPU, right, sell short signal right here, and here it is right here. All right, and then so those are the shorts. All right, and it's not a bad idea, guys, to you could trade, especially those of you who have multiple systems. You could take a trade in Bitcoin, take a trade in, take a trade in gold. I like gold right now, right? I like gold right now. And just kind of spread things around, right? Spread things around. Gold, GLD, right? GLD right here. Here's a nice buy signal that came in on Friday. We send out a message on that on gold, all right, on the daily time frame, guys. We've been waiting on that. I haven't spoken to Peter, but I'm sure he's all over this gold trade. All right. He did really well last time, so I'm sure he's doing really well with this trade here. Okay. So GLD, all right. GLD, you can trade it in the futures market. All right. And this is the ETF GLD. All right. So buy signal came here on a break of this resistance. All right. Nice big candle. All right. So good trade right here. Going with gold. All right. Gold. For our sniper traders, on Friday, we've got some new alerts. Let's see here. Long. So AAL long. AAL. Let's bring this right here. We might go a bit longer this evening, guys. AAL long right here. All right, to go long. Um, INTC, Intel, INTC to go long. All right. If you guys are not trading sniper, don't get into these trades. All right. Do not get into these trades. All right. Um, and then Google, this was a special trade, right? All right. We got this at the end of the day, at the very end of the day. All right. A lot of volume getting into Google. All right, buy signal here. We track it on the 60-minute time frame, and hopefully we'll get a lift tomorrow morning on that. And then we've got BAC short. All right, BAC short. All right, here it is going down there. So it's hopefully, right, market's up right now. So hopefully we can break support this area here and get a quick trade out of that when the market opens tomorrow. Still tricky, right? If with sniper, you guys know sniper hasn't been doing well lately. All right, a lot of consolidation, not a lot of clear moves. So just trade it lightly. All right. And you could even trade just one. You don't have to trade all three. We normally do three. This is the first time we've done four. So, but that Google trade looks good. All right. All right. Nothing in US 30, nothing in NAS 100, nothing in the S&P. All right. Any questions on this? Any questions on any of the picks? Any questions on any of the picks? All right. Okay, let's look for opportunities in Monster Scalper. All right, long. Monster Scalper long. All right. So Aussie dollar looks good. Right. So right up the bat. All right. So Aussie dollar. And we're getting some buying to come in here in the Aussie right here, the Aussie pairs right here. All right. We only have one that's down. So Aussie dollar looks good, guys. Nice markdown phase. We'll take that. All right. Green candles, buy signal, a bit of a pullback, but look here. All right. Got buy signal here. All right. This is a decent trade. All right. On the 240. So monster scalper. All right. Aussie dollar. Okay, so those of you trading monster scalper, all right, that's a good trade here. Good setup here. All right, good setup here. Support is right here. All right, so if you just have to put in a stop loss, you can put it below here. I would say 0.66548 below this area here. All right, Aussie dollar, Aussie New Zealand, nothing there. Aussie Swiss, nice buy signal, guys. I am liking these Aussie pairs, right? So Monster Scalper, Aussie Swiss, AUDCHF. All right. Nice markdown phase. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. Right. Buy signal right here. All right. On the 240 now. On the 240, green candles. That's looking good. All right. Aussie Swiss. Monster Scalper. All right. Aussie CAD. You guys, these are great trades setting up here. All right. These are great trades. Nice markdown phase. Choppy, but good. We'll take it. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Nice accumulation. Big candles came in here. Big buyers came in here. Big candle. All right. Still good to get in. Hasn't moved away from that buy signal. Okay. So still good to get in. So that's Aussie CAD. All right. If it fails, it's moved up a bit. So if it fails, right, this big resistance becomes support. All right. So right? You can put your stop loss. If you have to put a stop loss, you can put it below here. All right, but that's looking good. Okay, so those Aussie pairs, guys, Aussie pairs. All right, don't try to trade anything else. Focus on what's moving right now. Focus on what's moving. All right, so these Aussie pairs. New Zealand dollar. All right, New Zealand dollar, good trade here in Monster Scalper. So New Zealand dollar buy signal was here, right? Red candles came in, okay? And guess what? Right now, breaking resistance right here. And this group will go together, all right? So that's a, and look here, you got pretty good resistance right here, and it's breaking resistance, all right? Pretty good resistance right here. Look at this candle, breaking resistance, guys, right here. So New Zealand dollar. You don't have to trade all of them. Just get a few of them. NZD USD. All right. New Zealand Swiss. Same thing here. We'll count this New Zealand Swiss. Buy signal here. It's holding right here. New Zealand Swiss. And let me see what we're in. We might be. Hold on. Let me. All right. While this comes up, so New Zealand Swiss. All right. And then New Zealand CAD. Hold on. All right, 1 second, guys. Okay, so no, we're not in any of those. Okay, so New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD. I wouldn't get into this. Okay, it's gone up too far. All right, it's gone up too far. Okay, let's take a look at the yen pairs. They're all moving down, so we won't look at any longs there. Dollar ZAR. Let's see if we can find anything in the dollar. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing. All right. Nothing in the dollar. Euro. The monster scalper, guys. Monster scalper. Okay, we're going to add EURPLN to monster scalper long. EURPLN, the euro pairs are moving. So EURPLN. All right. So buy signal is here, right? All green candles accumulating right here. All right. Descent markdown phase. We just need to break through here. All right. So we'll keep that one. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Here. That's moved. Keep an eye on Euro Swiss. That should give a buy signal shortly. Euro Swiss. All right. EuroCAD also. Pounds. Dean, you still in pounds? In months in Forex Dominator. Pound dollar. All right. Nothing here.
And euros are.
Oh, euros are. Euros are. Okay.
Euros.
Euros
Yeah.
are. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. The pound pairs are moving. We are in pound Aussie and pound CAD in Forex Dominator already. Okay, pound Aussie and pound CAD. Oh no, we closed that one. We're gonna add. So we got out of that one. We've got a new buy signal. So this was the previous trade last week for pound CAD. All right, we're going to add it. Okay, so pound CAD. We'll add pound CAD on this new buy signal here, guys. New buy signal here. Pound pairs are moving. Pound CAD. Okay, and let's take a quick look here at the shorts. Uh, a lot of volatility in these yen pairs, guys. Crazy moves. Look at these candles here. All right, so nothing here. We're in Euro, Yen, and SGD, JPY already. Let's see if we have any shorts setting up here. Might find some shorts. Okay, so monster scalper short. All right, so USD. I mean, I would like to see the dollar pairs move higher, but boy, they're setting up. If you guys look here, that dollar index, you see what's happening here? It's down right here. See what's happening? So we could see continued movement down. So monster scalper short, right? USD SGD has a sell short signal here, breaking support. Here it is right here. Okay. So USD SGD. All right. Just be careful if you take that trade. Just be careful. Let's remove that. It's the only one with a sell short signal. So we're gonna remove that. We'll wait for more of the dollar pairs. Give some more short signal. So we won't count that one. And these are all euro pairs are all long. Pound pairs or so no shorts. No shorts there. Okay, Forex dominator. And we'll be done in a minute, guys. Longs, we're looking for longs. Keep an eye on New Zealand CAD for Forex Dominator. Okay. Buy signal could come in anytime. All right. New Zealand CAD. Nothing in the yen pairs long. Forex Dominator. And I'll add these and send these out tomorrow. Okay, guys? I'll add the pics and send those out tomorrow.
Thanks, David.
So USD HUF, that's long. USD HUF. That's long Forex dominator. All right. Good buy signal here. Look at this markdown phase. Great markdown phase. All right. Buy signal here. Purpose support and resistance, but that's fine. That's because of this low here. Okay. So USD HUF. Okay. But again, we need that dollar index to cooperate. Okay. I would say get a white candle. Absolutely get out. Okay. Um, USD DKK closed. All right. It has a recent, it closed here, buy signal, give another buy signal, struggling here. We'll wait on that to develop. Okay. USD CZK, USD CZK. All right. We'll keep an eye on it. It's pulling back here. All right. So tomorrow we'll take a look, another look at it. All right. USD CNH, red candle here. So we'll wait to see if we can get some buying to come in. This is a crazy market, guys. So just be careful. Um, dollar CAD, dollar CAD, dollar CAD. Boy, very choppy in here. So buy signal here. You know, we could make a move higher, but very choppy. It's caught between resistance here and support right here. So we'll leave that for now. All right. Dean, this is the one that you're in. You're still in. And guys, good job for Dean for staying with this trade here. Eurozar.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Eurozar. We looked at the week and the monthly on this trade for Dean. Let's see here. Right here. Here's the monthly trade, guys, for Eurozar, and that's moving nicely. It's in a nice channel. All right. So it's looking to test the high of the channel here. So good job. Good job there. All right. Where was I? Okay. So Euro SGD. Okay. If we can get more buying to come in, we can get a buy signal. Okay. Get a buy signal there. We'll wait. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing. All right. EURN, okay, that's already moving. We'll wait on this one. EUR HKD, all right. Waiting for a buy signal. Hopefully the euro. Look at the euro pairs. Look at the euro pairs. All right, nothing there yet. Here. EUR CZK. EUR CZK. So we're in EUR EuroCAD and Euro SGD. We'll add this one, Forex Dominator Long. All right, EUR CZK. All right, buy signal here. We do have a purple support and resistance. Okay, but it looks good. Euro Swiss, nothing there. All right, EuroCAD. We're going to add this one, guys. EuroCAD. All right, buy signal here. Previous buy signal failed. All right, this buy signal came in, green candles. I know it's up in that markup phase. All right, but we are seeing the euro pairs move higher. So we'll add this one here. All right, so Euro CAD. All right, just be careful if you guys trade these. All right. Okay, I'm going to open up the floor. Any questions for me? Any symbols you guys want to take a look at? Any symbols you want to take a look at? Any symbols you guys want to take a look at?
Nothing right now, David.
Okay, okay. All right. Anyone else? You guys are good? Okay. Be careful. Just be careful, guys. You know, right now the futures are up. Right, the Dow is up 200 points in the futures. That can all change. All right, that can all change. So just be careful with equities. Even Forex, be careful with Forex. Okay. If you guys are going to trade small amounts, right? Trade small amounts. You don't have to trade everything, and just be careful. All right. That's the name of the game right now. Protect your capital. Be careful. Things will open up again. All right. Okay. Things will open up again. All right. Betty, you had a you okay. All right. All right. Betty, you sent me a message. I only see um okay. Yeah, I only see this unless you send me a text or an email. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. And just be careful. Just be careful. Protect your capital. You can trade Forex, has some opportunities. Okay. I would stay away from equities for now. Just be careful. All right. All right, guys. Take care. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.